What's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be giving a quick update on Veracity and kind of what this update means and why it's important, why you should be following it. And then we'll also, just go over Veracity a little bit. Okay, the native token is VRA. So yeah, I definitely recommend following them on Twitter. Okay, at Veracity Tech. Um, and just so you can kind of stay up to date with them on some of their things. But they had a tweet here recently speaking on their Vera views and the Vera esports, right? And when you click on that, it goes into some of the information. And as you can see here, there's a little bit of info about securing tournament broadcast rights. All right. And they recently announced that Vera Esports had secured the exclusive broadcast rights for the second year in a row to the 2022 Galaxy Cup for Axie Infinity. Now, we all know Axie Infinity is one of the most popular metaverse games there is, right? If not the most popular already. So this is a big deal, right? Veracity has secured the exclusive broadcast rights, okay, for the biggest metaverse game. All right, this is big for them, and just help growing exposure for them. Okay, there's some more things we'll go into a little bit later, so you're gonna want to stick to the end. But let's go into just Veracity real quick. Okay, let's look at their website and let's just look at it real quick. All right, it's the digital VRA is a digital currency created exclusively for the exchange and transfer of value in the esports, variety gaming, NFTs, and video economy globally. All right, it's currently held by over 300,000 Vera wallet users, and it's listed on more than 24 exchanges globally. Right, that's something that has been a big aspect to me with Veracity. It's very global, right? It's a very global token, right? It's not necessarily related to just like the US or like a certain thing. Lots of people in lots of countries have this one. All right. So you can buy, hold, and earn rewards on VRA. You potentially profit from future price appreciation. And then you can stake VRA tokens to start earning staking rewards today. All right. You can join the staking program and earn 25% per annum holding VRA. So that's some of the things on it here. I really like their a lot. All right. And one of the main things is this right here, Veracity's POV patent. All right. This is proof of view. So there's a few things, right? There's proof of work, proof of stake, and Veracity has the proof of view patent. All right. Now we'll go here just to, basically go into it a little bit more. But this is an article showing how they passed examination by Chinese patent office. All right. So not only did they already have the US patent, but they patented the Chinese, or they got, they passed examination for the Chinese patent office. This is just another big thing when I speak about them being globally. All right. So Veracity has continued its strong start to 2022 by providing the first ad tech module based on a blockchain technology patent that has achieved approval in China. All right. The blockchain ad tech leaders partnership with Bright Cove placed the firm in an advantageous position to take on video technology market. All right. And right here just goes on what I spoke. They already were granted a patent in the US. Veracity's proof of view technology empowers advertisers to lower their ad spend loss to bots and fake viewers and enables publishers to get paid faster for served ads through transparent viewership metrics. Okay. That's kind of like the big deal to me is their whole proof of view and their proof of view patent. All right. I think that this is going to be really big. As you can see here, they say we can now market our proprietary ad fraud prevention technology to Chinese content creators, publishers, and advertisers who represent $120 billion in ad spend, the second largest market after the USA, where we already hold 2 patents on proof of view. All right. So, they're going from the #1 market in the USA. All right. They already have the patents there. Now they have the patents in China, the #2 economy. All right. China spends 120 billion on advertising each year. 65% of these ads served online. All right. So that's just saying, hey, a big chunk of that money is served online, essentially, right? And then also NFTs. Okay. They're also getting into NFTs. They previously announced their intention to launch an NFT marketplace, one that, according to Hill, would leverage our patented proof of view technology to verify the origin and veracity of NFTs. All right. The growth of the NFT industry over the last couple of years has skyrocketed and become a lucrative space in the digital world. It definitely has. if you can go back to their website, okay, you can check on their NFTs and just how they're working on it. I don't believe their marketplace is launched yet, but that's what you're going to want to look for, okay? And they're trying to basically protect people against NFT fraud, right, with their proof of view patent. Now, what is it? It's the forging of original content without the owner's consent, selling someone else's legitimate NFT, attributing NFTs to legitimate brands without consent, failure to sell due to insufficient buyer funds, removing access to the content after sale of an NFT. Blockchain transactions are difficult to reverse. They highlight NFT art or funds lost to frauds might be difficult to recover. So Veracity's custom solution built on proof of view will verify the origin of the NFT art, verify the authenticity of the seller, and verify the authenticity of the platform on which the art is listed. So, nice things coming from Veracity. Definitely check out their website. Okay. Look into it more, do your own research, see if this is something you would want to invest in. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know any tokens that you guys think, have some good potential in the future, or really just some good protocols or projects you guys are following in the crypto space, whether it's DeFi, gaming, metaverse related, any of those. Drop me a comment down below. Okay. I do viewer requests every, all the time, every week. So, I'll be here if you guys want to holler at me.